Hey guys, welcome back to the View Cryptos channel. So today Cardano ADA went up over $1.40. So really meteoric rise by ADA. Cardano is on the third place after Ethereum by market cap. So Binance Coin on 4th place and XRP still in top 10. Stellar also in top 10 on 10th place. The price of Stellar currently is above 45 cents. Actually, the price of Stellar XLM rose today, and it is even higher than the price of XRP at the moment. And really great news related to Stellar XLM. So here you can see Flare will be integrating XLM as an F asset, bringing XLM to scalable smart contracts and a trustless gateway to Stellar. Decentralization is far too important for maximalism. Ecosystems must be united. Unlocking value. So this is really great for XLM, because in today's world, you know that DeFi is becoming really important, and there is really big hype around DeFi, and it is not only hype, but yeah, decentralized finance is going to be really important in the future. It is going to get more and more important with every year, in my opinion. So really great news for XLM. More utility for the Stellar network. Also, you know that the Cosmos network, actually the Stargate upgrade is already on 100% complete. The network is upgraded, and inter-blockchain communication protocol is going to be used in order to create the Internet of Blockchains. So really great news for the Cosmos network. And here we are seeing a tweet from the Cosmos network, from the team that brought you Cosmowasm. Here comes Tigrate, a robust smart contracting platform that will bring incredible utility to Cosmos and value to the Atom holders. Watch out for the use cases and interactions that will take place between Cosmowasm and the Cosmos Hub via inter-blockchain communication protocol. We are happy to announce a strategic investment in Tigrate, a blockchain focused on regulated DeFi built on Cosmos. Tigrate is developed by Confio Tech. Yep. By Confio, the team behind Cosmowasm. So more great developments related to the Cosmos network and the Atom token. Of course, the European Central Bank knows that blockchain and cryptocurrencies are the future, and they are tweeting digitalisation has become increasingly important in every area. That's why European Banking Supervision is working on its digital transformation. What does this mean in practice, and what are the main challenges? Read more on in the Supervision newsletter. Digital transformation of Supervision picks up pace. Of course, you know that the European Central Bank is working on their CBDC, of course, at the moment they're still not working on the implementation, but they're still doing some research. And yeah, maybe this year, at least I expect that this year they are going to announce that they're going to proceed with the implementation of the digital euro. And in my opinion, they're going to use not one, but multiple public blockchains in order to accomplish this. So really great times ahead of us. And more great news, this time from Grayscale. They're tweeting, "We are always seeking ways to better meet growing investor demand for exposure to digital assets through familiar, secure and regulated investment products. This is why we are considering several new digital assets for potential new product offerings." And these are the digital assets that they're actually looking into. So the digital assets currently under consideration include aave, basic attention token, Cardano ADA, Chainlink, Compound, Cosmos, Atom, Decentraland, EOS, Filecoin, Flow, LivePeer, MakerDAO, Monero, Numeraire, Polkadot, Reserve Rights, Stacks, SushiSwap, Synthetics, Tezos, The Graph, Uniswap, and Yearn Finance. We are eager to expand our product offerings to better serve our investors, said Grayscale CEO Michael Sonnenschein. The digital currency universe is constantly evolving, and we seek to identify both interesting and innovative opportunities that satisfy our investors' demand for differentiated exposure to this burgeoning asset class. We may not turn each of these assets into one of our landmark investment products, continued Sonnenschein, but as a firm that has been on the vanguard of connecting the legacy financial system with the new digital currency-driven financial system, we view it as our responsibility to introduce investors to more diversity in this space. The process of creating an investment product structured similarly to those Grayscale already offers requires significant review and consideration, and is subject to substantial internal controls, sufficiently secure custody arrangements, and regulatory considerations. As such, there is no guarantee that assets named in the above list will receive a corresponding investment product. Any newly created products from Grayscale will be announced separately upon launch. Investors can access Grayscale's existing suite of products as well as resources and more at grayscale.co. So that's it. We're going to see which of these digital assets Grayscale is going to include in their products portfolio. But you see that here they are mentioning Cosmos, they're mentioning of course Cardano. I think that Cardano is going to be one of the digital assets that they're going to include, because of course Cardano is currently on the 3rd place by market cap. So really great news for the cryptocurrency market. So let's continue with a blog post from the IMF by Kristalina Georgieva from February 24th. It is called The Great Divergence, a fork in the road for the global economy. Obviously they like to use words like that, the Great Reset, the Great Divergence. They're really describing very well the transition to a completely new world economy, which is going to be digital. So There is a major risk that most developing countries will languish for years to come. So here I actually selected some parts that I think that are more important to share with you. Here she's talking about first about 3 priorities. So again, we stand at a fork in the road, and if we are to reverse this dangerous divergence between and within countries, we must take strong policy actions now. I see 3 priorities. First, step up efforts to end the health crisis. Second, step up the fight against the economic crisis. And third, step up support to vulnerable countries. And here, another option under consideration is a new SDR allocation to help address the global long-term need for reserves. This could add a substantial direct liquidity boost to countries without adding to debt burdens. So it is obvious that there is a problem with liquidity, and it is also obvious that cryptocurrencies can very easily be the solution of this. It could also expand the capacity of bilateral donors to provide new resources for concessional support, including for health spending. An SDR allocation served the world well in tackling the global financial crisis in 2009. It could serve us well again now. Following a comprehensive approach also means dealing with debt. The G20's debt service suspension initiative quickly freed up vital resources. And here, of course, when we are talking about freeing up vital resources, you know that they are really big and many resources that are locked up in corresponding banking. So we are talking about trillions here, and of course it is obvious that public blockchains like Stellar Network and the XRP Ledger can actually solve these issues and can help free up vital resources. And the new common framework can go even further, facilitating timely and orderly debt treatments for DSSI eligible countries with broad creditor participation, including the private sector. These treatments should involve debt service reprofiling to help countries facing large financing needs and deeper relief where debt burdens have become unsustainable. With the first requests in, the common framework should be swiftly operationalized by all creditors, official and private. For its part, the IMF has stepped up in an unprecedented manner by providing over $105 billion in new financing to 85 countries and debt service relief for our poorest members. We aim to do even more to support our 190 member countries in 2021 and beyond. That includes supporting efforts to modernize international corporate taxation. We need a system that is truly fit for the digital economy and that is more attuned to the needs of developing countries. So this is very important. We need a system that is truly fit for the digital economy. Here again, she is emphasizing on the transition to a digital economy. Here, a multilateral efforts will be essential to help ensure that highly profitable firms pay tax in markets where they do business and thereby strengthen public finances. These policy measures can help address the great divergence. The alternative to leave poorer countries behind would only entrench abject inequality. Even worse, it would represent a major threat to global economic and social stability, and it would rank as a historic missed opportunity. We can take inspiration from the spectacular international cooperation that has given us effective vaccines in record time. That spirit is now more important than ever to overcome this crisis and secure a strong and inclusive recovery. So it is evident that they're gonna make this transition to a digital economy, to a world digital economy happen, and they're saying to us that no country is going to be left behind. So this transition is going to happen all over the world. And in my opinion, blockchain technology is going to be used, and CBDCs are going to be implemented. First, they're going to be implemented by the big central banks, and after that, the other are going to follow, of course. So this is at least my opinion on that matter. And another blog post from the IMF by Tobias Adrian and Tommaso Mancini Grifoli. Public and private money can coexist in the digital age. I will leave a link to these blog articles in the description. So I just wanted to show you this title here because it is evident that of course the central banks and the governments around the world can't be successful with this transition to a new digital world economy without the private companies, which are building actually the public blockchains and which are creating this great innovation in the payments world, in the cross-border payments world, in the banking world. So this is really great news, really bullish news for the cryptocurrency market, in my opinion. Let's finish with a few news titles that I think are interesting. UK could become a global leader for issuance, trading and exchange of crypto, which is going to be very interesting and bullish, of course. And Binance to support Cardano ADA upgrade and hard fork. Binance announced on February 27th that it was supporting the Cardano upgrade on March 1st. Cardano will hard fork its blockchain in order to upgrade the system. Cardano's ADA is hitting new price and market cap all-time highs. And just in, Biden administration passes $1.9 trillion stimulus package. The House just passed President Biden's $1.9 trillion pandemic aid package. 2 Democrats voted against the bill, no Republicans voted for the bill. So, more free money and, of course, hyperinflation is one step closer, which is good news for the cryptocurrency market. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. If you like my videos and if you want to support my channel, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you again for watching. Be safe and see you next time.